I'm going to show you a good little heater to keep around your shop when you're working inside. As long as it's well ventilated, you can use it outdoors when you're working on your mowers or anything outside in the cold. But here's the heater. It is the Mr. Heater, the tank top heater. It's a 15,000 BTU heater, and it has 3 different settings here, which is, this is high, medium, low. I usually keep it on high when I first start it up, and then I turn it down to low after everything gets warmed up good. It just depends on how cold it is, but it just mounts on top of a 20-pound grill tank, and I think it's a good heater to keep around to help, like me, cleaning my shop up. There's no other heat source, but this shop's well ventilated. It's got cracks and crevices, so it's got good ventilation. But all in all, I think it's a real good heater to keep around your shop or use it outside. But there it is. It heats real good. It runs for 29 hours on high. So I'd pick you up one. I think it's around 50, 60 bucks for the heater. Then the grill tank, of course, I think you can buy one for 50 bucks at Lowe's, Home Depot, stuff like that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like